Peace to everyone. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a waiting room that has no doors? You've prayed, you've worked hard, and you've stayed faithful, but the breakthrough hasn't arrived. Today we are exploring one of the most comforting promises in Scripture, Isaiah 60:22. It tells us that God isn't just watching the clock, He is holding the clock. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. This isn't just a quote for a coffee mug. It is a spiritual law. In this video, we're going to break down why the right time often feels like the long time, and how God uses these seasons to prepare us for the blessing we're asking for. To appreciate the yes of verse 22, we have to understand the no of the chapters before it. Isaiah was speaking to a people in exile. They had lost their homes, their temple, and their identity. They felt forgotten. The full verse says, "The least of you will become 1,000, the smallest a mighty nation." God was telling a broken people that their current smallness was not their final destination. Your current struggle is just the soil. The mighty nation is the harvest. Note the authority. I, the Lord, will make it happen. This shifts the burden off your shoulders. You don't have to manipulate the situation or kick down doors. If God is the one making it happen, then no human being and no circumstance can stop it. We live in Chronos. We worry about being 30, 40, or 50 years old. But God operates in Kairos. A Kairos moment is when God's preparation meets His opportunity. If He gave you the blessing during Chronos, your time, you might not be strong enough to hold it. We often pray for the harvest while we are still in the growing season. If you pick a fruit too early, it's bitter. If God gave you the big promotion or the big relationship before your character was ready, it might actually break you rather than bless you. Joseph waited 13 years between the dream and the throne. To Joseph, it felt like a delay. To God, it was a training ground. He had to learn to manage a prison before he could manage a kingdom. The promise in Isaiah is that God will make us forget our moments of sadness. This doesn't mean we lose our memory. It means the joy of the breakthrough will be so heavy and so good that the pain of the wait will feel light in comparison. Have you ever had an almost success? An almost job? Often, God closes an almost door because He is saving your energy for the right door. Don't be discouraged by the no. It is often God's not yet. I have something better. As a Christian community, we must remind each other of this. When you see your brother or sister struggling, remind them, the Lord is still on the throne. Your time is coming. We are a people of hope, not a people of deadlines. As we wrap up, remember that the right time is the only time that matters. You haven't missed your window. You aren't behind in life. You are exactly where God is refining you for what is next. If you're watching this and feeling weary, take a deep breath. Isaiah 60:22 is a guarantee. If God said it, He will do it. Stop looking at the calendar and start looking at the Creator. Thank you for joining us for this study. If this message encouraged you, share it with someone who is in a season of waiting. Comment below with the word faith if you are trusting God's timing today. We'll see you in the next video. It is all about Jesus.